Hello, welcome to Groof. We have more than 100 kinds of glasses for you to choose and buy on our website. You can click here to try. Choose a pair of glasses you like and choose a color you like. You can also click here to try on the glasses and watch the 360-degree display. Click to view product size. You can view more here. Back guarantee, shipping policy, and ask a question. Swipe down to view product details, blogs, shopping tips, and reviews. Click select lenses. Choose your prescription type according to your needs. If you don't understand something, click the question mark on the right. If you need single vision, click to enter, and then enter your own SPH, CYL, and AXIS, PD. You can also enter your notes below. Click Next. Choose the type of lens you need. There are many colors for you to choose from. If you need blue light blocking, choose the lens you want. Check if your order is correct. If you want to have a pair of prescription sunglasses designed by yourself, you can choose color tint. There are many colors for you to choose from. Choose a color you like, then choose a lens. Confirm your order again. Click to add to cart. Free shipping on orders over $65. Enter country, province, and postal. Click check out. Enter your own contact, delivery, shipping method. Please check your order. Enter the discount code and you will get a surprise. Woo! Finally, click pay now and you're done. Shop now.